Good day to all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how to clean the seafood like fish, abalone, and shrimp, which is my employer by this afternoon. So we have here the tiger prawn. It's only 5 pieces, and this is the abalone or abalone. I don't know how to say it. Abalone or abalone. So we are going to clean this later, and I'm going to show you. And also the fish is for steaming. So this fish is very expensive. So it's a medium size, and this is already remove the scales, but we need to clean it again. So this abalone is difficult to clean, so I will show you. Guys, so ito na guys, nalinisan ko na yung isda. Malaki siya. So for steaming ito siya guys. Ayan, for steaming. So medyo mahal itong klaseng isda na ito. Tapos nilinisan ko yung loob nito. So kailangan i-brush mo talaga yung dugo-dugo sa loob kasi yun daw ang nagpapalansa yung dugo. So kailangan malinis at saka i-brush pa natin lalo. Kasi ito na-brush na to sa market, pero kailangan i-brush ko pa ulit kasi may mga maliliit pa na siyang kaliskis sa loob dito sa mga gilid-gilid. So kailangan clean and dry. So ita-dry natin to siya mamaya. And ito naman guys, yung shrimp, tiger prawn yata ang tawag nito. So may natira pa akong isa. So papakita ko guys kung paano ko nilinis. Pero kailangan i-cut talaga natin yung ulo niya at saka yung legs. So para malaman ng iba na hindi pa marunong mag-cut ng shrimp, papakita ako, may isa pa akong naiwan. So, i-cut natin itong ulo. And then, ito. And then, kailangan natin guys ng toothpick para tanggalin itong intestine dito. Ayan. Ano? Ayan. So, hindi siya masyadong madumi. Usually, pag hinila mo yan, pag masyado siya madumi, mayroon siyang itim yung intestine niya. So, 5 peraso yung binili ng amo ko na tiger prawn. So, steam ko lang ito guys mamaya, and also the fish. So, papakita ako kung ano yung ilalagay dyan mamaya. And sa abalone naman guys, papakita ko yung abalone. So, nasimulan ko na guys, linisin yung abalone. So, mayroon pang papakita ko kung paano maglinis ng abalone. So, ayan siya guys. Oh. Maliit lang ito na klase. Minsan bumibili yung amo ko ng malaki. Ito yata malaki ito siya. So, medyo mahirap linisin itong abalone. Matrabaho. Binabrush ko ito ng ganito guys. Ayan, matrabaho itong abalone na to. And then, tinatanggal ko ito sa shell niya. Ayan. Tapos, tatanggalin natin ito. Matrabaho ito. Ito yung dumi niya. Yung mga kinakain nila. Binabrush ko po. And then, linisin pa natin ulit. Oh, lit-lit lang. Tapos ang mahal nito. Siguro mga $100 itong dinilinis eh. Natanggal ko yung ulo. Meron po pala dito. Matrabaho talaga itong abalone na to. Tapos isang subo lang. Ayan na. Kasi babalik ko siya dito. May tatlo pa guys. Ang hirap linisin. Okay guys, tapusin ko muna. Pakita ko mamaya kung ano ilalagay ko dito sa abalone kung pag nag-steam ako. Ito na guys yung isda natin. So kailangan natin i-dry ito. Ito naman guys yung abalone. Yung abalone. And ito yung shrimp. So, mag-prepare tayo ng ginger and spring onion. And para sa abalone, ito yung gagamitin natin. Dried tangerine peel or yung orange skin. So, ito yun. Gamit tayo nito guys. So, nalinis ko na siya. And some ginger and spring onion. So, i-chop ko na lang. And ilalagay natin mamaya sa ating mga seafood. Our ingredients are ready. So, we have here the spring onion, the tangerine peel, onion stalk, and ginger that I sliced already, and we put some on the plate for steaming fish, and we add some ginger on the tummy and on the top. So the abalone, I also add some tangerine peel, and this is choy sam. We are going to fry this tonight, and I will use the ginger for frying this choy sam. And this is the spring onion that I am going to add to my soup. So I have here the winter melon soup with carrots, dried mushroom, and dried scallops. And I will add the sliced pork later, and also some salt to taste. So today I baked the banana cake because the 2 pieces of banana are overripe already, so I don't like to eat that kind of banana, so I bake it for my tea time. So I will prepare my coffee now, and I'm going to go inside my room for my break time. So I add some sugar. This is a small teaspoon, so I add 4 teaspoon of sugar. It's just enough for the sweet of my coffee. It's not too. Thanks for watching, guys. Kain tayo ng aking banana cake. It's so yummy. Bye!